How's it going, guys? It's been a while since I've done a video, so I kind of wanted to do one on this, what I think is a EVVA A. I bought it on eBay and it was advertised as an EVVA DPI. It says DPI in the key, but I have no idea what it actually is. So if anybody knows, please write in the comments what this lock actually is. But I did cut this in half. The reason why I cut it in half is because I did not have segmented followers to try to take this apart, and I haven't seen what's inside this yet, so I'm really excited today if I can get it open. I haven't been picking, so I am a bit rusty, but if I can get this open, I would love to see what's actually inside this. So here we go. Let's see what I can do. Full set. Start from the beginning. We got nothing on 1, 2 a click, 3 did something. Oops, I stabbed the phone with my bones pick. Can I move this further back so I can have more room? There's a click on 2, went to a full set. Let's try to go towards the back, and there's another one. Another one. 1 is set, 2 is set, 3 is. A little movement on 4. And we got it. Alright, cool. Let's get this thing open. Alright. Move some of the stuff out of the way. Let's grab. Sorry if the lighting is crappy. I've tried to. Maybe if I turn on this light. I don't even know if that'll help. But, yeah. Let's get out this spinning tray. Let's get out. What else do I need? Get this guy out. Get this guy and this guy and this guy just in case. Oh, should I use? Yes, I should. Where did I put those? Did I put them in here? Yes, I did. Let's get one of these guys. Let's get this shim just in case. All right. Is it this one? Yeah, it is this one. All right, so let's pop this off. Let's see if we can pop it off right here. Oh shit. Don't want to do that. Let's see if I can just get it off this way. Should I just... Don't do that. Why is it so hard to get off? There we go. Okay, so Is this gonna fit? Will this one fit? This one will probably fit, right? And it does. Oh, what the hell? Alright, so what do we got here? Got this little side piece. I don't know what that is, I'll be honest with y'all. I'll do a close-up on everything too, but yeah, I don't know what that is. Maybe y'all can explain to me what that is. Let's see, there, it went in this way. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 pins. That's a standard pin. Standard. Oh, there's a wafer. Okay. Whatever, I'll scoot that down. Take this out and I pop these out. So those are all standards, and it looks like that is just a standard pin for 1. Two is also standard. So 3 had a spool and a wafer. Then another spool in 4. And a spool in 5. Alright, so sliding is bullshit. Let's see. There we go though. So that's what was in here. And yeah, that is that. But yeah, if anyone can explain me what this does and what the purpose is for this, I actually don't know, but pretty fun little lock. Actually, let me see if I can find. Maybe it has to do with that little piece right there. Not sure. Anyways, like I said, if you guys could let me know in the comments what this little piece is, that'd be great. But until next time, hope you all have a great day.